Hello people, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, sisters and brothers, wherever you are, how are you doing? Today we are going to teach you a very wonderful lesson on how to use work on in English language. Work on, don't say work on, work. We don't say walk, we don't say work, but we say work on. That is the lesson of today. Good. But before teaching you the lesson, I would like to give you the word of today, which is beard. Beard. Good. This one. Huh? Beard. What is the meaning of beard? Beard means ubwanwa. Beard. Huh? For example, you can say, my uncle has much beard. Marume afite ubwanwa bwinshi. Beard. Yes, we say beard. Good. Very fantastic. Then I urge you to buy the book, please. I recommend you to buy the book for cheap price. It is on fair price, please. If you want to buy this book, try to contact me or try to call me. I am there to give you the book for fair price. Very fantastic. Good. Then now we are going to give you the wonderful lesson, which is there. To work on something is to spend time producing or improving it. When you are working on something, you are spending your time producing or improving it by using physical or mental energy or force. Then that is to work on something. Nugukora ku kintu runaka. I'm going to work on my report tonight. I am going to work on my report tonight. Iri joro ndakora kuri raporo yanjye bantegetse gukoraho. I'm going to work on my report tonight. That is to work on. Good. Then here we're going to see different examples that are going to help us understand better the use of work on in sentences. Are you together with us? Are you together with us? Turi kumwe? Fantastic. Good. To work on ni gukora ku kintu. To work on something is to spend time producing or improving it. To work on something is to spend time producing or improving it. Gukora ku kintu ni ugufata umwanya wawe ukagerageza kugikoraho nyine. That is to work on something. Ku buryo gishobora kubyara ikintu, umusaruro runaka, cyangwa se gishobora gutera imbere mu buryo runaka. That is working on something. For example, if your machine or your watch is out of order, you may work on it. Niba iyi saha yanjye iri out of order, itari gukora. Something that is out of order ni ikintu kitari gukora, nk'isaha. I can work on it. Shobora kugira icyo nyikoraho. Kugira icyo ukora ku kintu is to work on something. Good. Then here I can say, here are two people. The first one is asking the second. Did you finish that project? Ese ya projet warayirangije? I am still working on it. Ndacyari kuyikoraho. I am still working on it. That is to work on. Good. Did you finish that project? Oh, sorry, my dear. I am still working on it. Did you finish that report? Ya raporo warayirangije ngo yitwoherereze. We want it now. Try to send it to us. Oh, no. My dear friends, wait a little bit or hold on. Temutegereze gatoya. I am still working on it. Ndacyari kuyikoraho. That is to work on something. Good. Then here you can say, don't worry. She will work on it. Ntugire ikibazo azabikoraho. Arahuze. She's busy today. But don't worry, please. She will work on it. Azabikoraho. Even if she's busy today, she will work on it. Nubwo ubungubu ahuze, ariko azabikoraho. That is to work on something. Good. Then let us continue seeing other examples of work on in sentences. Good. Here you can say, John is working on his computer or his computer. John hari icyo ari gukora kuri computer. Maybe he's fixing it or repairing it. Ahari ari kuyikora. Yapfuye yangiritse ari kuyikora. Then John is working on his computer. You can say computer or computer. American English. They say computer. Good. Then here you can say, I am going to work on that report next Monday. Ya raporo ngiye kuyikoraho. I'm going to work on that report. gisi urumva ni akantu keza. Ntabwo avuga ngo ngiye kuyikora uvuge ngo I'm going to do ugiye gukora ku kintu, I'm going to do this machine. No, I'm going to work on this machine. There is something that I want to work on the machine. Hari ikintu nshaka gukora kuri iyi machine. Wenda tuvuge keyboard ifite ikibazo, I'm going to work on it. Ngiye gukora kuri iyi keyboard ku buryo machine yanjye igenda neza. That is to work on. Good. Then next here, number 5, here you can say, my teacher is working on my English. I'm really improving. Yes, this is used. My teacher is working on my English. I am really improving. Which means that mwarimu wanjye hari ikintu ari gukora ku Cyongereza cyane. Maybe my teacher is trying to teach me new things in English. Ari kunyigisha ibintu bishya, some grammatical rules, amategeko y'Icyongereza. Oh, I am really improving. Muri make mu by'ukuri ndi kugira gute? Ndi kuzamura urwego rwanjye. I am really improving my level. Do you want me to work on your English? Ukeneye ko nkora ku Cyongereza cyawe? Nkagikoraho rikaka. Gukora ku kintu rikaka. Try to come there to Kimironko. I am there to teach you. Try to come to Kimironko. I am there to teach you, please. Come to me, please, if you want me to work on your English. Niba ushaka ko ngira icyo nkora ku Cyongereza cyawe. If you want me to make you improve in English language, just I'm there to help you. Kimironko, call me or SMS me. Yes. Utangire wigane n'abandi bari kwiga cyangwa baziga next time. Good. Then here number 6 you can say, did you postpone your trip to USA? Okay? Did you postpone your trip to USA? Ese wasubitse urugendo rwawe rugana USA? Did you postpone your trip to USA? No. I am working on how to get a visa. I am working on how to get a visa. Hoya ntabwo narusubitse. Ahubwo ndi gukora kuri visa. Hari ibyo ndi gukora kugira ngo mbone visa. Ndi gukora kuri visa kugira ngo nyibone. Hari ibyo ndi gukora bari kunsaba passport, ndangamuntu, things like that. I'm working on how to get a visa. Or maybe I am studying some questions that they ask in interview. Ndi kwiga ibibazo babaza muri interview. Yes, we are there to help you too. Yes, dushobora no kugufasha kwigisha ibibazo bibazwa muri interview when you want the citizenship, for example, for USA. Yes, when you want to go to USA, just there are some questions that they ask. Then we can help you understand those questions. Dushobora kugufasha kumva bya bibazo babaza ukajya gukorera visa utikandagira. Thank you very much. Good. Then work on. That is the lesson of today. Have you understood it? Byumvikanye? Very fantastic. Then after getting this lesson, we are going to give you a motivational saying. Motivational saying. Tugiye kuguha imvugo y'Icyongereza ariko igushishikariza gukora. A motivational saying. Good. Then in English we say, the best things will not come to you easily. The best things will not come to you easily. So, don't be ashamed to get your hands dirty. The best things will not come to you easily. So, don't be ashamed to get your hands dirty. Ibintu byiza ntabwo bizakuzaho mu buryo bworoshye. Never will you get the best things easily. Ntabwo uzigera ubona ibintu byiza mu buryo bworoshye. So, don't be ashamed to get your hands dirty. Rero, ntuzigera uterwa isoni no kubona intoki zawe cyangwa se ibiganza byawe byanduye. Oya, ibintu byiza ntibizakuzaho mu by'ukuri mu buryo bworoshye. Rero ndakugira inama yuko utazigera ugira isoni z'uko intoki zanduye, kuko rich people that we know today are the ones who used their hands. Abakire tubona ubu ngubu tuzi ni babandi bakoresheje intoki zabo batazishize mu mufuka, ku bipataro ukore. I am Teacher Jasper. We are together for the next lessons. Bye bye.